In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dashboard for optimal efficiency and a personalized touch. Now, having a dashboard that suits your workflow can significantly boost your productivity by presenting the most important information right where you need it. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you want to open your dashboard. Now, your dashboard is like your command center. It's where you'll keep an eye on everything important, so it's crucial to make sure it's set up exactly how you want it. Once you're in, you should see all your current widgets displayed in the default layout. This might work for starters, but we have the power to make it so much better. Once you're on the dashboard, look around for the gear icon, which is typically located somewhere at the top or side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to customization. You might also see an option that says Edit Layout. Either of these options will get you where you want to go. Give it a click and this will open up the customization settings. Now, you're in the editing mode. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of tools and options to help you tailor the dashboard exactly to your needs. The focus here is adjusting the widgets and layout. Widgets are like the individual blocks or cards of information on your dashboard. Think of them as the building blocks. You may want to ask yourself, what do I use the most? What needs to be front and center each time I open my dashboard? You can drag and drop these widgets to rearrange them in a way that makes the most sense for you. Try placing your high priority widgets at the top for quick, easy access. If a widget is not all that useful to you, consider moving it to a less prominent spot or removing it altogether if that option is available. Now, when it comes to layout adjustments, this might include resizing widgets, altering the number of columns, or choosing different display modes if that's a feature available. Doing this can help create a look and feel that aligns with how your brain processes information best. After you've adjusted your widgets and layout, take a step back and have a look at your newly customized dashboard. Does it look the way you want it to? Can you easily find everything you're looking for? If so, that means you've successfully optimized your dashboard layout. If not, don't hesitate to make further tweaks. Remember, you can always go back and make additional changes as your needs evolve over time. That's it. You've just learned how to take control of your workspace by customizing your dashboard. Enjoy the seamless workflow that comes with having your most important data at your fingertips precisely how you prefer it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos to empower your